Unlimited Memory by Kevin Horsley. Chapter 3. Organize Information Using the CAR Method. Now that you know how to turn information into movies in your mind, it's time to learn how to organize those files and store them in your long-term memory. The best way to organize information is through the CAR method, in which you use your CAR as a long-term storage compartment. This practice combines new information with something you are already familiar with, your CAR. The compartments we use to store our memories must be familiar to us. Luckily, we tend to be experts at remembering specific routes and places. Think about your route to work. You can probably imagine each turn, stoplight, and speed bump in your mind right now. So for this method, you'll need to place items you need to remember in specific locations along a route that is already familiar in your mind. This method may sound bizarre at first, but remember that if you want to be different, you'll need to do things differently. As you read the following story, try to picture the scenario, and we'll see how much you remember by the end. View your car in your mind and imagine yourself squeezing an apple into the front grid. Take a carrot and stab it onto the hood. On the windshield, you see grainy bread that you know is going to ruin your windshield wipers. Next, get inside your car and squash dried fruit onto the dashboard. Really imagine it in the speedometer. You then sit on strawberries and blueberries. Really feel them squish beneath you. Throw some eggs onto the passenger. Now they have egg on their face. In the back seat, you begin to pour seeds and nuts all over. Get out of the car and imagine a massive orange on the roof. Then open the trunk of the car where you find fish. Really smell the fish. In the exhaust pipe, Brussels sprouts and broccoli are growing out the exhaust. Finally, the tires of your car are made out of sweet potatoes. Go around your car and see all the details again. Really make the images clear in your mind. Use the C method to do this. What you just learned are the 14 superfoods that have been shown to improve your vitality and keep your mind agile and alert. How does this technique work? When you use your car or a place familiar to you, you use something that is already stored in your long-term memory. All you did was simply attach new memories to it. Follow the formula LTM plus STM equals MTM. In other words, long-term memory plus short-term memory is equal to medium-term memory. By organizing the information this way, it becomes easier to find and recall. The secret to accelerated learning is a superior organization.